Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming your current Apple ID and making a quick iCloud backup so you can undo changes if needed. Sign into Settings or System Preferences and enter your passcode. This verifies you control the device. Make sure two-factor authentication device is nearby because Apple will send a code. Once that's set, connect to stable Wi-Fi and update iOS or Mac OS if prompted. This prevents errors during the email change process and keeps setting. Now change the email tied to your Apple ID. Open Apple ID settings and go to Name, Phone, Email, then tap Edit. Add the new email address and watch for Apple's verification code. Enter it when prompted so the account recognizes the new address. Once verified, set that address as your primary Apple ID email, and if you want, remove the old address. Make sure recovery and rescue addresses remain accurate because they help you regain access if something goes wrong. To finish, sign out of iCloud on each device and sign back in using the new Apple ID email. This ensures iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime refresh properly. Review active subscriptions and app logins since some services may require reauthentication. If you encounter problems, first confirm you entered the verification code correctly and that the new email is fully verified. If it still fails, check Apple System status for outages and retry after clearing network caches or restarting devices. These steps fix most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.